Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha Allove, and today I'm going to be installing my first frontal ever. This is going to be an exciting video. I have never installed a frontal before. I've never had one before. So this is going to be interesting. This hair that I have is like so bomb. It's from Allove hair. I did do the wet look on this hair. That is in a different video, so I will also have that link down below. I'm just going to be talking to you guys throughout this whole video and just, you know, giving y'all a little insight on me. Don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know your thoughts, tips, and tricks for installing frontals. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you guys are interested in seeing me install and watching me install my first frontal, woo, it was a task, but we got through it. Go ahead and keep on watching. Y'all, I don't know how to start off. I don't know what to do first. I'm really finna straight wing this. So y'all, this is really gonna be like a get ready with me talk through video. I'm not gonna be like, you know, doing a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. And this is literally like my first frontal ever. Oh my gosh, I love these curls. They're so cute. So I guess it's gonna look great. I guess. I still feel like I plucked it too much. What y'all think? Y'all think I overplucked it? So how do I even supposed to cut the doggone ear tab off? I don't know what I'm doing. This is like so unorganized. Y'all, I got about 3 mirrors right here. I need to see all angles, cause I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, did I cut off too much? I'm gonna have to slide this over. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up. Y'all, am I doing this right? Oh, Oh, I done cut the hair. I done cut the hair. I think I cut that wrong, but it's okay, so because we still got a side to go. So no one really explains that cutting these ear tabs off is really hard. So y'all, if this come out trash, please do not bash me. So I think I'm gonna have to do this in sections. Did I cut too? Y'all, I done cut all the way up into the god doggone hair. You know I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all, no lie, I have some fire videos coming for the new year, and I can't wait to show y'all. It's literally like about to be a whole situation. I'm really like so proud of all the women in our society, because y'all, we really like bosses. Like, it's so many women that's like having their own business, you know, doing different things, managing companies. Women are really like, you know, doing their thing. Oh shoot, I'm already messing up. I really want this to work because me and my boyfriend is about to go on a date, and if I mess up my hair right before this date, oh, he's gonna be so mad because he know I'm not gonna want to go. All the plans are going to be canceled. I have something really exciting coming in the near future for 2020. And I'm so glad. I'll move in silence, make more moves and less announcements. I have some bomb videos coming out for y'all. I'm starting to go full time with YouTube now. I'm going to be posting on a regular schedule. I'm not actually sure of which days. I'm just about to get on a consistent schedule and, you know, keep y'all updated on me, my life, and keep the good videos and content coming. Y'all know what happened in my last video when I laid my closure wig down. I had to pick it back up and replace it. Oh my gosh, this is the moment of truth. Make sure it's in the right place. And it's down, sis. Like, ain't no coming back. I know y'all like been requesting for me to do more videos with my boyfriend, and they're coming. We've already made a couple channel. We've posted a couple of videos up on there. I don't think they're still on there, but we have a couple channel. Instead of making a couple videos on my channel, we're just gonna start back up our couple channel. And you guys can watch us over there, so that what I do over here is over here, and what we do together is over there. If you guys do like seeing me and my boyfriend do videos together, go ahead and subscribe to our couple channel. It's Brian and Miesha. I will have the link to the couple channel listed down below in the description box. Let me go ahead and start on the next side. When I tell y'all this frontal came so dense, I plucked the mess out of this frontal. I really should have not did that. I think I just went overboard with the plucking. It's cool though. You live and you learn. You don't learn anything if you don't make any mistakes. So I'm cool with it. I already got some glue on the lace up here. Hopefully it doesn't turn white, because I don't have time to deal with it today. I'm really pushing for time. And my boyfriend is yet to come in here any minute and be like, why you not ready? Why you not ready? Ladies, if you can relate and you got a man and you getting ready for a date or whatever y'all about to do, why when they get ready, they just hover over us and be like, you taking all day? Like, did nobody tell you get ready first? Did nobody tell you be simple, boo? Because I ain't simple. So I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl got her nails long, extended, sis. This is probably the first time y'all ever seen my nails long on this channel. But I'm like, it's gonna be 2020, new me, new year, new vision, period. No, I'm just kidding. I really be having my nails short or no nails because I be doing hair, but I'm kind of like giving that all up. So I'm catering to me and getting what I want, sis. So y'all finna see these claws more often. I'm sorry, y'all, but my camera keeps jumping, overheating, and it's like really making me mad. I think I'm really about to slay this, like, period. Baby sis starting to look a little scapiana. Maybe I did do it right. This is gonna be the hardest part, cutting this off. We have this thing in our city called the zoo lights. And that's where me and my boyfriend about to go. So it's gonna be dark. So if I mess this up, it's cool. Oh! So it really looks better than I thought. Yes, ma'am. Looks like I'm gonna be doing more frontals to come. So y'all, I had to take a break because my boyfriend bought something to eat. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm over here struggling because I don't know what I'm doing. This is actually harder than it looks. So it looks good up in here, but I don't know what's going on over here. I really need some baby hairs going on, but they don't have to be too dramatic. And plus, they like glued to my head anyways. So I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get it to move. This I do real soft baby hairs. Y'all, I don't think that frontal life is for me. I don't know. Maybe I'll try something different, a different approach. Maybe it'll work then. Oh, please, 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 please. Y'all, I did so terrible on these baby hairs. I tried to make it look as natural as possible. But I'm finna just tie it down because I'm not finna be going back and forth with this. And we gonna see how it come out. If it's messed up, then we just know I can't do frontals. I need some practice. So we're just gonna tie this down. Gonna let that melt and settle in and sink into the skin. And we're gonna be good. period. I guess it's okay for my first try. Y'all gotta know it's only gonna get better. So I'm thinking about just wearing it like this because I really gotta go. I think I'm gonna style it in another video because it's too cold for me to wet the hair. So I'm just gonna wear it like this. It's really like a nice little soft loose wave, which is actually cute. So if y'all know about frontals and y'all know how to do them, what did I do wrong? Like, let me know, help a sister out, because I really want to start slaying these. But I think I did good for my first try. Let me know what I can do different next time to make this go so much smoother. I'm going to style this hair in a different video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was not a tutorial. I literally just wanted to show you guys me installing my first frontal ever. If you guys think I did good for my first time, go ahead and comment down below. Give me some tips on how I can improve this on the next time and make this go so much better. I will have more frontal videos in the near future so that I can improve my skills and really learn how to slay and lay them. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MyIshaLeve_. Baby, y'all like tell me my lips was crusty. No ma'am. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be notified once I upload new videos. It's 2020 and we about to be lit, period. So I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Bye.